Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find booking.com promo code in 2025. So in order to get the best deals with booking.com, you just have to simply come to these links. Now, these are the links at which you can actually find the latest deals. So you can see that this is setting up early 2025 deals where you can get around 12% off, and this offer is working from January 1st to April 1st. So you just have to simply read the information, like you need to log in into the extract and click on the promotions option, and then you need to choose the new promotions, and next to early 2025 deals you just have to click on the add promotions. So you just have to simply follow these steps in order to avail the early 2025 deals. So you just have to simply come to this page, that is booking.com/deal page, and over here you will find a bunch of different deals that are actually working. You can even come on this URL, that is booking.com/travel.coupon, and over here you will also get the coupon codes which you can actually redeem and save money. So if you have any query relating to it, you can even come over here on this page and you can find the latest reports and latest discount codes. Now if you want to connect with the booking.com customer executive, you can even do that in order to find the best working deals and promo codes from them officially. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.